Go home and check the difference between a regular SIP for 40 years and a step-up SIP. Don't get very excited about this step-up SIP because over a 5-10 year period, it might just stop. Right? It's not good. Don't keep on extending it कि 30 साल चलेगा, 40 साल चलेगा, शायद नहीं चलेगा. It doesn't matter. आज जो चल रहा है, that is going to contribute to your own retirement plan. So create your own retirement plan, which you can. Go to an IFA who thinks very differently from you. If you are extremely equity oriented, go to a guy who is extremely debt oriented. If you are debt oriented, go to a guy who is equity oriented. Right? And it happens all the time. There are IFAs who have an extremely biased portfolio because their own bias shows there. And that can be bad. Right now, if I tell somebody that equity markets look very difficult, I'm going to get lynched in this market because people think, abhi 35,000, abhi 40,000 hone wala hai. Right? Look at the step-up commission, look at the commission, look at your retirement plan. That's it, I'm done. If you can do this, that's enough. There are just 3 points. Go to an IFA. IFAs are good people. Right? Yes, no? So go to your neighbor, go to a friend, go to an IFA, tell him this is your plan, this is what you want to do. Create a group of people to do your business continuity plan. Talk to each other and say, this is my list of clients. Tell your wife, in case you die, this has to be handed over to him and he will share the commission with you. Right? Do it. No point in asking, listening, saying very good, kana kaisa karna chahiye, and then going home and doing nothing. Exactly like what Himanshu sir said. सुनने का, energize होने का और फिर करने का. Right? Yeah. How do you decide how much money you need for retirement? Take a all your clients are also aspirational. How do you estimate the client's need for retirement? Exactly like that, you will estimate your own need for requirement. If you don't know how to estimate your need for retirement, how will you estimate client's need for retirement? So take a ballpark figure. Say you're 30 years of age and you assume that over every 7 years your expenses will double. So 30, 37, 44, 51, 58. So at the age of 60, if you think your monthly expenses will be 2 lakhs per month, take a ballpark figure and say that is 24 lakhs into 30, 7 crore chahiye. This is the ballpark figure. There are far good calculators available and these don't mean anything when you're 35 because by the time you go to 60, your expense pattern will be very different. But it is the nice number with which to start. 60 साल में सोचो क्या करना है.
No, so what I was alluding to is, this is exactly what I was saying. That, we start from the expense side. But what I am trying to say is that, as an IFA, I am more aspirational, right? Because should I start with the expense side or should I start with my income side? Because in income, my aspiration is also added.
What you need is on the expense side. What you aspire could be on the income side. So first the expense side, if I am telling you that the expense side requirement is 7 crores, till you reach 7 crores, the income side doesn't even come into play. Yeah. After that, the income side can come into play. But first get the 7 crore corpus or at least the road to the 7 crore corpus. After that, you can decide how much more. जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतना अच्छा है. But at least 7 crore तो चाहिए. Yeah. You need a...
I remember that you had told that there is an expiry date for an IFA.
Sorry?
I remember that you had tweeted that there is an expiry date for an IFA and it has been extended.
Wow, thank you.
Right.
Good.
So I just want to know whether the expiry date is still there. Will we see in our lifetime? And next to that,
I can tell you one thing. The pressure on the regulator to put everything online, everything through DMAT, everything to the bank account is very high. Right now, there is a body of people, like say even the registrars do not want everything to go DMAT. Right. Then what is the role of the registrar? So registrar is also protesting. IFS says मेरा trail चला जाएगा, bank ले लेगा. So there are a lot of people protesting. But do remember, 1993, one day they said share physical trading नहीं होगा. It will be completely dematerialized and will happen only there. Tomorrow if SEBI says no physical mutual funds, it will only happen through the demat mode, only through the demat account. How many IFAs are prepared for it? So they will die. They don't need an expiry date. They are very good at self-killing.
So that's what I am coming to. So is it that we IFAs are now like the Kali Pili taxis and we should upgrade ourselves to become a Ola or a Uber?
I
that
don't
what
know.
you are
I don't
hinting at?
want to use such examples because I don't know whether Ola and Uber will survive. What if Ola and Uber don't survive? We don't know. So don't get into these examples, but look at your life in packets of 3 to 5 years. Don't assume कि मेरे को इतना trail आ रहा है, 20 years later I'll be getting 20 crores as trail. Things might change far more dramatically. Thank you.